I said something the other time. I said one of the things that will give us edge over the market, or I always say something that one of the things that will give us edge over the market is to know when a particular currency is about to lose strength and when another one is about to gain the strength. Yes, what are the things to look out for? What are the things to check to know if market is about, or if a particular currency is about to lose its strength and if another one is about to gain its own strength? Those are the things we are going to put together to have a successful trade. Yeah, we have some pairs that are about to get weak. They want to get weak, and we have some that want to gain their strength. So we trade the one that is losing its strength against the one that is gaining its strength, and that is how you become a profitable trader. And that is what happened in this trade, because we know CAD and USD, they are like families. Yeah, they are families. We have CAD pairs and we have USD pairs, but we discovered that CAD is about to lose its strength and USD is about to gain its own strength. So we asked, so that is simply base and quote currency, which means the base of USD is about to get strength and the base of CAD is about to lose strength. So if the base of CAD is about to lose strength against the base of USD, that means we are going to trade them against each other. So which is giving us USD as the base currency to gain strength, and CAD will now come as a quote currency to lose its strength, because its strength is about to get weakened. That is why we enter this trade. If all these things that I just analyzed are true, then we are going to wait for the delivery of this trade. What will this trade deliver for us? As you can see, it has been CAD that has been dominating, because USD has been selling. If USD is selling as a base currency, that simply means USD is losing strength. USD has been losing strength. But now that USD wants to start buying, that means the CAD is about to lose its strength, and USD we came the strength. So that is why we are going to be buying USD. Yeah, if you check the other trade I analyzed on Euro USD, we are selling Euro. Yes, and the reason why we are selling Euro is because USD is gaining strength against other currencies. So we are selling Euro, and if we are selling Euro, that means USD is gaining strength above Euro. Do you understand what I'm talking about now? So that is why you are seeing this trade you are seeing right now. So we are going to wait for what the delivery of this trade will be, and before they give us reaction like that, there will always be what we call liquidity pool. Yeah, liquidity pool or stop odds will always happen before they give us the major reversal in the market. Yes, there will always be liquidity pool, and if we watch this level very well, let me go to daily time frame. It's going to be clearer on daily time frame. If you watch this level very well, this is another liquidity. So they always create fresh liquidity for future liquidity. What am I talking about? Look at this page. This is the liquidity level right here that was clear with this candle. So it gave a retest and it dropped off. Even though it has not really come to this, it's supposed to get to this level before it drops off, because any liquidity cleared. If you have been following us on this channel, if you are joining us for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Michael, the selfless strategic trader. If you are joining us for the first time, please subscribe right now, because if you subscribe, you will have the ability to understand our trading psychology on this platform, because we don't trade anything less than 100 pips. Any trade you see us enter, we are entering those trades, not getting anything less than 100 pips. Yeah, you know what 100 pips can do for you now. You don't need to talk much about that. So if you want to have this kind of mindset, this ideology, you want to develop this potential for yourself to develop or to catch big pips, just subscribe to this channel right now. Do it right now. If you postpone, you may not be able to do it again. Yeah, because you might be carried away, and before you know it, that's it. So subscribe right now, and you're welcome once again. So if you have been following us, you will understand the liquidity level that we always say, that once price clears a particular liquidity zone, price will always retest that zone before it drops off, and there will always be future liquidity zones to be clear. But you don't just trade any liquidity because it's liquidity. There are some things that you consider. There are some things that you put together in order to validate the liquidity you want to trade, in order to validate the liquidity that markets want to pull at a particular time before it gives us the major reversal. I don't know, maybe I'm even speaking too much pidgin or too much grammar, but if you want to understand more, check my playlist on liquidity pool explained. You will understand more about liquidity, because I even use dictionary to explain what liquidity is for us. So now we are going to wait and see what the delivery of this market will be before we continue this analysis. You can see the liquidity here, that it was obvious. So price came, cleared the liquidity, gave a retest, and it dropped off. So we are expecting price to at least come here or get to this place, but notwithstanding, we are not expecting anything less than 100 pips on this trade. So let's see if markets will obey us, or if markets will do its thing. If market will do its thing. Now 100 pips is minimum of 100 pips is not something big. So many of you will think it's some. That's why it's the minimum. It's our first take profit, because 100 pips will be here. You can see how small it is. Yeah. So 100 pips is not something very big like that. It's not something very big. Once it gets 100 pips, then you can now scale up to this place to catch up to maybe 300 or 500 pips. That is how we enter our trade that we've always seen. We've been seeing. This is 308 pips once we are able to clear our first 100 pips. So let's see what the market is going to deliver for us on this trade. Let's see what the delivery will be on this trade, guys. So just stay tuned, please. Stay tuned. And if you have not subscribed, please do it right now. Subscribe right now. Subscribe right now. Don't procrastinate. Don't procrastinate, guys. We don't need to waste our time. This is what we do. We can see the outcome of the trade we analyzed and what price delivered for us, and this is exactly what we are talking about here. Let's check how many pips we've gained so far from this trade. If we check it from down to the top. You know, that is 198 pips. 100 and what? 198 pips. Come on, let's call it 200 pips. Yeah, and this trade is still going. It's still going. This is just the halfway, and probably before it gets here, it's going to be 400 or 500 pips. Yeah, or probably if we see any reason to trade the reversal, if it's going to reverse, then we are going to trade the reversal. But so far so good. We've gained a good amount of pips from this trade. Yeah, it's not easy now. It's not easy, but to get such pips is not easy outside there. But with us, by the special grace of God, trading is very easy. I mean, trading is very easy. I don't spend 10 minutes in front of chart before I see my trade. The same thing with my mentees. Yeah, we don't everything has been put there. Open your chart. If it's there, it's there. Trade it with full force. If it's not there, it's not there. Just find your way and look for something to do. Yeah, so that is how much trading has become so easy with us by the special grace of God. And if you want to join the mentorship program, it's still very open. Yes, it's still open, and this is what we do. We've analyzed this trade before, so I don't see reason to delay us with some things that are not necessary. So if you want to learn more about what we do, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you check our playlist, check the videos on the playlist. Most especially, I used to recommend one particular playlist, Liquidity Pool Explained. Check that particular playlist and you are going to see the pattern, everything that we use to take our trades, most especially on liquidity. Yeah, all right guys, this is your guy Michael, the selfless strategic trader. Catch ya.